Is there anything that says holidays more than eggnog? You can make this holiday staple in a flash with this simple recipe straight out of my grandma's cookbook. My taste buds can't handle store-bought, but this stuff is right up my alley. So grab a cup of, well, eggnog. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a bowl, beat 1 egg. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar or honey and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a small blender, add 3/4 cup of whole milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and your egg mixture. If you're spiking it, this is where you add your 1 to 2 tablespoons of rum or brandy. Pulse until well combined and frothy and pour into your mug. Top it off with a sprinkle of nutmeg. Homemade eggnog is perfect when you want that delicious flavor without buying a whole container that'll sit in your fridge until the new year. As with all recipes from Grandma's Cookbook playlist, any ad revenue will be donated for Alzheimer's research. For flavor variations to this recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.